Welcome guys to my channel. For this video, I will show you how I clean and organize my bedroom. As you can see, my room is kinda mess and clutter. I usually started off organizing my on-the-go clothes by arranging and putting them on the hanging rack. After that, I moved the small organizer under my hanging rack so it will be tidy up. Then I started to clean the other clothes organizer and shoe organizer by wiping the dust and spraying it with a liquid cleaner. Afterwards, I started to put back my shoes and few of it I put it in the bags. Then I began to fold my house clothes and linens. It took me a while to finish folding because I ended up organizing it all. And lastly, I put them on the clothing organizer. They all look cute and organized now. And the next thing I did was to put away the plywood and the disassembled cabinet door beside my bed. I also get my personal things like my makeup and essentials and my pillows. I don't have a proper desk yet, so I just put my things on my DIY desk made of small table and my old cabinet doors. I used an old DIY plywood small desk for my personal essential things at the side of my DIY desk. I installed my curtain after I cleaned my window, but I didn't include it in the video. Then I temporarily installed the curtain behind my bed wall because the hollow block was not finished yet and it's kinda sore to eyes and unpleasant to look at. I put a LED Christmas lights in the curtain to make my bedroom look cozy. Afterwards, I started to tidy up my bed by putting first the bed sheet and pillow sheets. 40 TMI, we are having an ongoing renovation in the half of our house. That's why my bedroom doesn't have a double wall on the other side. I also closed the two windows beside my bed for more privacy. And finally, I finished cleaning and organizing my bedroom. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.